I'm Jim Kohler with Canfield Industries here at the home of Canfield Connector. We want to show off a couple new additions to our molding family. We've added 2 new Tayu machines. They're going to greatly help us improve our delivery, our on time, our quality, our speed of product, manufacturing. So as you I'm showing you right here the start of the 2 connectors. This is wired up, soldered, ready to go with the circuit board on it, and that is a finished product. So Richard here is going to demonstrate the machine. He's actually in production with it right now, and we'll watch it actually work. Again, these machines, the sliding bed is going to be a lot more productive friendly, we'll call it production friendly. It is going to greatly, and adding 2 more machines that are brand new state of the art is going to increase our lead times, like I said earlier, tremendously. So with that, we'll turn over the machine and see it in production. So you're up, Richard. You don't have to talk. So as you can see, there's both molding time in a vertical, all these vertical machines, there's 1 top mold and 2 bottoms. So that by doing that, it's always working. So as you can see, he loaded the one on the right, the second one molding. While it's in the molding process, he's able to reload the second side. In both of these sets of tools, as you can see on the bases, we have left room to add a second set of cavities. So right now, the startup of this product, we went with a 4 cavity. We could jump to 8 cavity, which will also, as this line grows, expands, we will able to populate the other side of the tool. So, right there, as you can see, where there's the side on the left is able to be machined at a later point. So the machine runs, it fills it, backfills with moldable TPU, which is polyurethane. And Richard is loading it up, and we'll process another set of these. So there's curtains on these, light curtains, all the safety features. As you can see, he can't put both hands in at the same time. He is back in on the other side now. It's molded and done and ready to go. And once the camera's down, he's able to reach through and pull out the finished parts. Now on this machine, we could do a lot of different things. We could mold the GTs like we're talking about. We could also mold all of our DIN connectors. So this is a non-lighted DIN connector. The circuit boards are available that you could put electronics on it. And once with a black connector or unlighted connector, we mold black. If it was lighted, we would mold the clear TPU, as you can see with the GT. These machines will also be able to, we mold this carrier on these little switches, which is switches used on like that cylinder, and then we backfill the switches with a moldable TPU. In the past, we used to epoxy encapsulate that cavity, and it would take 24 hours to cure. Now, with the new TPU backfilling, they're done instantly. So we get an IP67 underwater rating out of these connectors when we backfill. We do the same with all of these versions. We can get even up to IP69K on the molded GTs, which we're doing in 2, 3, and 4 pin right now. So again, we just want to show off some new equipment. Our lead times have gone from at one point 16 weeks now down to 2 to 3 weeks. So we have added a lot of money, ships to get product out the door. Richard is so you'll wait for that and the cover to close, and that's the safety turns off the. So as you can see, when that door comes all the way down and the press shuts, then the light curtains allow him to reach in to keep the operator safe. machines, can run, we're running 2 shifts right now. They can run 24/7 as we, sell more and more product on our sales team. We'll keep adding shifts and keep things running, but they are able to run 24/7 as long as we have operators and people available to test the product, then the machine will stay running. But we now have 7 total machines, 2 of these new ones that you can see in the background here. So we are at this facility, we're only doing vertical molding. All of our horizontal molding, which runs 24/7 also, is done over at the Spartan Scientific location. So that's done over on McClurg. But again, we just want to make sure everybody understands the investment we put into this and ready to ship more product and get more orders. I'm Jim Kohler from Canfield Connector. Anything you'd like quoted, you can look at product online at www.canfieldconnector.com, or you can call my cell, which is 330-550-3713, and I will either help you or get you in contact with the right people. Jim Kohler signing off. Thank you.